This DIY face mask will give you a glass-like shine on your skin, and it is especially made for the combination skin type. So, combination skin type people, if you want a glass-like skin for yourself, then this video and this DIY face mask is just made only for you. So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to work on the combination skin so that we can convert it into the glass skin. We all want a glass like shine on our skin, but it takes a little bit of efforts, a little bit of things to do, like natural remedies, and or you can also go for chemical based treatments to get that glass like shine on your skin. So what are you waiting for? This whole video is made just for you to give you a glass like skin which we always desire for. So without any further ado, let's begin with this video. We all know a combination skin type is the mix of two skin type. That means oily and dry. That's why we call it a combination skin type. On the T-zone, our sebaceous glands are more active. That's why they produce more oil on the T-zone, and our cheeks and jawline may get dry. A one size fits all approach doesn't work here, right? We have to work very carefully to treat your combination skin and to convert it into a glass skin. We have talked about normal skin to glass skin, oily skin to glass skin. Now it's time for the combination skin to become a glass skin. How you can identify whether you have a combination skin or not? For identification, you need to figure out T-zone is oily, your cheeks and jawline are dry. आपकी स्किन पर ओपन पोर्स भी हो सकते हैं, ब्लैक हेड्स भी हो सकते हैं. That means you have a combination skin. In hot and humid weather, your T-zone gets oily, and in cold and dry weather, your cheeks and jawline may get dry. Your face can get dry, flaky patches and breakouts at the same time. So it's little bit difficult to treat your combination skin. तो चलिए मूव कर जाते हैं आप कॉजेज़ पे कि कॉजेज़ क्या क्या हो सकते हैं कि आपकी स्किन जो है वो कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप हो जाती है. Presence of overactive sebaceous glands on the T-zone of the face can be hereditary. So now what to do with your combination skin? Use an alcohol-based toner on your T-zone, but avoid it using on your cheeks and jawline because they can be dry. Use a serum to deliver all the essential nutrients to your skin and follow it up with a lightweight non-comedogenic moisturizer. Apply a gel-based or lotion-based SPF before you go out on the sun. So these were the things that you need to take care of. Now let's move on to the remedy. So for preparing this DIY face mask, you will need raw milk, honey, lemon and almond oil. Just 4 things. ये चारों चीज़ें ही आपको लेनी पड़ेंगी because ये चारों चीज़ें ही mandatory हैं to treat your combination skin. So to prepare this for galore, you will need a raw milk, 1 teaspoon of raw milk and add half teaspoon of honey in it. Mix it thoroughly and wash your face, pat dry it, then apply this mixture on your whole face including your neck. You have coated your skin with this mixture. Now take lemon, squeeze the juice out of it. इस juice को आपको लगाना है सिर्फ आपके T-zone पे. I'm showing you how you are going to do this. आपके पास जो almond oil होगा, just take 1 drop of almond oil. 1 drop is more than sufficient. और वो almond oil आपको लगाने हैं आपके cheeks पर because cheeks are drier and T-zone is oily. That's why we are using lemon juice on T-zone and almond oil on your cheeks ताकि आपकी ये ऑयलीनेस को यहाँ पे कम कर सके और ऑयल आपके ड्राइनेस को बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कर सके और वहाँ पे वो हाइड्रेशन, वो मॉइस्चर प्रोवाइड करे जो आपकी स्किन को यहाँ पर चाहिए है. लीव दिस मास्क फॉर 20 minutes and then wash it up with plain water. So this was it for the DIY face mask. मिल्क में होता है lactic acid, which draws out excess sebum from your skin and hydrates it. It also acts as a skin lightening agent. Honey helps to moisturize your skin, and lemon will decrease the oil present on your skin and keeps the T-zone oil free. And what about almond oil? Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, hydrates the dry area on your cheeks. So these were the benefits of using these four galore. So I hope you will give it a try. You just need to use this DIY face mask just twice in a week, not more than that. Twice in a week is more than sufficient. So just सिर्फ हफ्ते में 2 बार हम इसे यूज़ करके and continuously use it for at least 1 or 2 months and see the results for yourself. You will definitely see the difference on your skin. But combination skin people, this is only made for you, so other skin type people can't try it. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please hit the like button and show some love by subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.